Alright guys, got a new one for you. Here we have the new Galaxy Tab S7, and you can no longer reset these with the keys. There's a special process for it now. You also no longer turn it off the same way. If you hold the power button, you get that Bixby or whatever. To get to the turn it off, you have to hold the power and volume down at the same time. Turn it off. See, now that it's turned off, usually the old way was that we put power and volume up, and this is how you would get into recovery mode, so you can do a factory reset or boot to bootloader or sideload an app or whatever you wanted to do. That no longer works with the new update. It just boots straight into the OS. See? So for the new way that we got to do it is, we got to turn it off. We're going to wait for that to turn off. And what we got to do is connect a USB cable to your computer. And yes, it has to be to your computer, it can't be to an outlet. Once you plug it into your computer, there you go. Now you hold power button and volume up. Hold them down at the same time, and it should boot into recovery mode. There we go. Now we're in recovery mode. You can use the menu, volume buttons. Just scroll through the menu. And do a factory data reset. That's it. That's how you reset the new Galaxy Tab S7.